Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting inside the Amazon app. Open it and sign in now. Tap the three-line menu in the bottom or top corner, then choose your account and profile to view your public page. Make sure your profile visibility is set to public so others can see reviews and lists. Otherwise, the link will be useless. Once done, scroll to the top of your profile to locate the share icon or the profile URL area. This is the first actionable step to capture the link. Now that you're on the profile, find the share icon, usually an arrow or 3 dots, and tap it. Choose Copy Link or Copy to Clipboard. That puts the exact profile URL on your device. If the app doesn't show a share choice, use the menu to open in browser, then copy the web address from the browser bar. Make sure the copied link includes your user identifier or profile name so recipients land directly on your page, not on a generic Amazon homepage. Paste the copied URL into the app where you want to share, text, email, or social, and send it. After sending, verify it opens correctly by testing the link in an incognito browser or on a different device. This confirms permissions and visibility. If the profile won't display, make sure profile visibility is enabled, then sign out and back in, clear app cache, or recopy the link. These steps resolve most issues, so recipients see your profile immediately and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.